She left Oklahoma for California, sunglasses on the brim of her hat. Smoke was pouring from that old Cadillac, but she wasn't turning back. Just outside of Flagstaff, motor blew on her Coupe de Ville. Just in time, she saw a sign. There was a Texaco waiting at the bottom of the hill. And she said, somebody must be praying for me. Somebody out there must be praying for me. Must be angels I can't see. Somebody must be praying for me. Yeah. A boy about 20 climbed out of a truck, all covered in grease and dirt. She said, hey Charles, but he just laughed. He said, I'm wearing my daddy's shirt. He stood there lost in her eyes, and she got lost in his. As the years rolled by, she would sigh every time they kissed. And she'd say, somebody must be praying for me. Somebody out there must be praying for me. Must be angels I can't see. Somebody must be praying for me. Sometimes she stares out the window and wonders about her Hollywood dreams. But when she tucks her kids in bed, she softly whispers as they fall asleep, somebody must be praying for me. Somebody out there